In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Discord account on PC. So in order for us to get this done, I want you to go ahead and basically just open your Google. So once you're here in Google, I just want you to go ahead and type here Discord, and then we're going to go ahead and enter. Click this one right here, and then down below you have the option to open Discord in your browser. Go ahead and click that over there, and we should be redirected here. Now that we are here, we're just going to go ahead and tap the register button, and then you can go ahead and fill in all of the information presented here or required here. So I'm going to go ahead and do this real quick. All right, there you go. So I've filled in all of the required information. I'm going to go ahead and tap continue right here. And then let's just go ahead and verify this one. All right, there you go. We're going to go ahead and click the verify button right here. All right, there you go. So after doing the CAPTCHA, you should be redirected here where you are now having your own account. Last thing that you're going to do is head over to your Gmail, and you're going to look for the Discord verification, which is this one right here. And you're going to go ahead and click this one, and you should be good to go. And yep, that is basically how you're going to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.